So let's make ginger tea from ginger root. Now these are all the ingredients we're gonna need. We have some tea over here. You can use any tea, it's up to you. Then we have some cinnamon in pieces because we prefer this one. And then we also have a knife which we're gonna use to cut things. We have some water, of course, a pot, a lemon, which is also optional. And then we have, last but not least, ginger, the most important thing. Now, first you have to cut these lemons into pieces, and I'm going to now show you how to basically peel this ginger over here. Now, there's two methods. The first one is by actually using a knife. Just be careful with your fingers over here. But there's also another method, and that method is using a spoon. So let me show you that as well. Now, with a spoon, you basically just kind of peel it like this. As you can see, it's a bit tricky for the first time you're doing this, but very doable, okay? Now, be careful and make sure you peel it all the way. And then whenever you've done that, whenever you're done actually peeling it, of course we're also going to slice it to pieces, and yeah, that way, as you can see right here. Now make small chunks of it. It's up to you how big they are, doesn't really matter, but make sure to use a cutting board so you don't actually cut yourself because it's quite dense. Now here we're going to put some water inside this pot over here, which of course we're later going to bring to a boil. And then we're going to put a lemon in, and as you can see, we've peeled the lemon. Now that's completely up to you as well. We just like peeling the lemon because I think it tastes better. Then we're going to put in this ginger we have over here, and last but not least, the cinnamon as well. Now, once we put all these things in here, we're going to, of course, turn on our hob over here. We're going to put it at 9, and we're going to let this boil. And when it actually comes to boil, we're going to basically lower it a bit. There we go, to a 7. And we're going to leave it on here for a few more minutes. And then after a few minutes, let this cook like for maybe 5 to 8 minutes. Then just turn it off and put in your tea. Now we have it in this little fancy thing over here. We're going to put in some tea. There we go. And then you can basically put it off the hob, and you can leave it there for about 3 minutes. It's completely up to you how strong you actually want it to taste. And then after about 3 minutes, just take this out. We're going to put it on this plate over here, and you can go ahead and pour it and then enjoy your tea. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.